We are in a very beautiful place. Let me show you for a sec. Beautiful inlet. But now let me show you something else, and you tell me, what do you call this? It's a remote location, okay? Really nice campsite. But what do you call this? Or what do you call this? Like, what is it in human nature that we allow this to happen? Like, there's no appreciation of what? Like, why? I don't understand it. Much better, and takes like, I don't know, 10 seconds. L&T. And the idea is, when we'll get to a dumpster, we'll get rid of this garbage. But let's keep all these beautiful places clean. Thank you.